boy, YouTube. What do we got going on today? Hey, YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So, got brand new rear shocks. And let me show you all why. Can y'all see that? This side is the worst. Oh boy, YouTube. These GoPro batteries just aren't lasting the way they used to. Hey, YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. Enough about my rant. I want to show you all something on the Mustang that caught my eye when I was doing all the work to it. Yeah, so the rear shocks are completely shot. The coils are brand new, but the shocks are actually original Ford shocks. So I figured since we already got the Quadra shocks replaced, let's just finish it up so we don't have to worry about it. I'm going to retake the wheels off, and one by one we're going to get these shocks replaced, which hopefully, I guess we're going to see. Let's see how hard they're going to be to install. I've never actually looked too far into it. I know that the bolt is going to be right in there, but we're going to have to move some stuff since we got all that back there. But yeah, we'll be using some nice Bilstein, I think they're B6, I think they're B6 shocks. Came with the whole kit, as you can see. So it's both shocks. Got them on sale for $220 for the both of them, which I don't think is too bad. And at the end of the day, we definitely need them, because this is this is bad, and it explains a lot why this side is way higher than the other side. It's not just by a little bit. This one is like completely sunken in. So without further ado, let me stop my blabbering. I'll probably start on this side actually, because this side is all apart already. So work on getting that wheel back off. Never ends, YouTube, never ends. YouTube. She is finally all in. I'll just do one more double checking. This one. Oh yeah. I always double triple check to make sure. And I also, part of the reason why I stopped the video was I completely forgot to put the ring that actually seals this and gives it a nice tight connection. So got that on. We got the new rear shock on. Well, one at least for now. We're probably gonna have to stop in a bit because I gotta go to sleep soon. But there we go. We got at least one on. So I'm gonna put the new, well, I'm gonna put the tire on, and ooh, I'm out of breath from this one. And I ran last night, YouTube. All right, stay tuned.